What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And I'm really excited to share this because it comes with a little story time. So last weekend, I was hungry. I was real hungry. And I was driving past a taco shop like, man, I really wish I could have some carne asada fries right now. And I contemplated, now mind you, it's been so long since I've had red meat. I don't even know what created this urge. But I thought about just going and saying, hey, can you make me some carne asada fries but without the meat? And then I remembered, like, it's gonna be no meat, no cheese, and no sour cream. And I was like, that's a waste of money. So instead, I went to the grocery store and I made this. So it's not carne asada fries, but it's loaded fries that are reminiscent of that wonderful Mexican taco shop vibe that you love. So if you wanna see what I made and grubbed on that's happened, you just gotta keep watching. Wow, I'm not a rapper though. Anyway, you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. First thing you're gonna do is take your frozen fries. I'm using crinkle fries, and I realized I should have just used regular potatoes because there's so much more than potatoes in here. That's all right. Putting them on my New Wave. If you don't have a New Wave, follow the instructions on the bag and put them in your oven. I'm gonna do this for about 20 minutes. Start. So flipping about halfway through, because I can see some of them are getting golden and I want all of them to be golden, like this. These fries were unseasoned, so I had to put a little pico de gallo on it. I love pico. And then I've got my crumbles, which are vegan and give a nice flavor. Now, I'm not a huge vegan cheese fan, but just a little bit of this shredded mozzarella, and I just want to melt it down. The chorizo's already warm, but it should get melted like that. True vegan cheese melts. Going in with some chopped up spring mix, and then a little diced tomato, a little diced white onion, because why not? And you know me, I love it spicy, so I'm going in with some diced pickled jalapenos. This is one of my favorite salsas. I'm gonna see if I can find the brand name so I can just drop it in here. I like it because it's like a finer blend salsa. You know what I mean? You see the consistency. And because I'm extra, I'm going in with 2 scoops of guac because it's extra, a little vegan sour cream because I like that, and then just a little bit more tomato for garnish, and we are popping. This was so good. Let me know what you think about my loaded fries below.